naval troops of Lodz Convent High School, Saligaon, and Our Lady of Lodz, Valpoi, observing Vanamotsava today. We are planting 80 grafted saplings. Planted today are grafted saplings of fruit-bearing trees of chiku, pomegranate, ratna mango, and other fruit-bearing trees. The cadets of Valpoi have promised to take care of all these saplings. Thank you.
I'm very happy and excited to be amongst very excited young children of Lodz High School in Valpoi and Lodz High School in Saligaon. The naval wings of both this unit have planted trees and are celebrating Vanamotsava. And today the PE teachers from Bardesh Taluka and Perner Taluka came along with these plants which they are planting. And we are very happy and excited to be a part of this beautiful journey of planting trees and cycling all the way. Today I am very happy because we have promoted health and happiness and even encouraged people to plant trees. It's a good thing, and I'm thankful for the blessings of God who is keeping us rejuvenated with His wonderful rain and keeping the children happy and the plants flesh with His rain.
Today we are glad to have two schools, Our Lady of Valpoi, Our Lady of Lodz, and Our Lady of Lodz, Saligaon, have come together to plant, to celebrate and to enjoy the Vanamotsav. It is an example given to our young ones to live by an example, to nurture nature, to nurture our future. God bless our PE sirs all the way from Bardesh and our students from the two schools, Saligaon and Valpoi. God bless them. Thank you.